Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is my new project, 92 Toyota 4runner. I'm going to be doing some repairs to it and some upgrades. It was sitting for a while outside, so it's got some things that need to be replaced. The rubber was in the engine compartment was bad, and the ball joints, the front end was pretty shot. It needs some springs in the back. There's some body work that needs to be done, but otherwise it was in pretty good shape. I recently finished front end. My front end work, new shocks, upper lower ball joints, new CV joints, new steering, upgraded manual hubs, new brake caliper, got the rotors resurfaced. Just did new plug wires, new cap and rotor. I'm currently doing the throttle body, cleaning it. I'll be highlighting that in a future video. I just put a new thermostat on there. Future thing, I'm gonna take off the running boards, and it's got a little bit of rust here, as you can see. Be fixing that, hopefully. Interior's in good shape. Don't mind the boxes of parts. But yeah, I got new rear panels here because they're pretty bad. They're pretty rusted out. Got new shocks I need to put in the rear. So I have to do all the rear end work. Going to be doing a ADD delete or mod on this, on that front axle there, and a few other things. So if you want to follow along and journey with me, that'd be great. Hit that like and subscribe.